Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you format of formal letter. So in the previous video I have already taught you types of letters and informal letter format. Hope you have already seen those videos, and if you haven't seen those videos I will provide the link in the description box and the pinned comment. You can watch those videos too. So hello and welcome everyone. I'm going to explain you what is the basic format of formal letter in today's video. Same as informal letter, formal letter is very much easy, important and helpful to everyone. A formal letter can be written to business organization, to some government organizations or any other kinds of organizations where you are writing a letter to schools authorities like institutions authorities, colleges authorities or offices or etc. Right? Means if you are going to somewhere, you will write the application, right? You will write the formal letter to your principal or teachers, right? So that type of application, that type of letter is known as formal letter. We can't write in a casual way, but we have to follow a particular way of discipline and format. Means you have to write in a disciplined manner. You will attempt the discipline and you will write reputed words there. So firstly I am going to tell you basic kind of format, and then I'll show you some of the best example which can help you to understand and learn in a proper manner. So shall we start? Okay, we are going to start. So my dear everyone, here you can see the format of the formal letter. So firstly I'm going to understand you all, then I will show you some of the best example of the formal letter. This video can maybe long, so don't worry. So firstly what we have to do is, while writing the format of the formal letter, you have to make the proper box here. What I have made it, you can see also. Okay, why we have to make the box here? Because box is important while writing the writing section. Whatever the writing section you are attempting, like letter writing, notice writing, advertisement writing, whatever the writing section you are attempting, this box is very much important, because this is rule of the CBSE or writing section. You have to make a proper box there. If you will make the proper box there, you will surely get the bonus marks in your board examination, 10th or 12th, right? So firstly you have to write the sender's address. Who is the sender? Sender is the person who is mentioning the letter, right? So sender will be the you. Okay, means you have to mention your own address. Then you will mention the date. How to maintain? You have to mention the date like this, 4th of August 2020, date in a proper manner. Some of the students write date like this. I will show you date, 25th 3/2021, like this type of date. This type of date will not be accepted. There you have to write the date in a proper format. Like if today is 4th of August 2020, you have to write like this. Okay, after that, while writing the date, you have to leave a line here. I have made an arrow to make you all understand that you have to leave a line here. You don't need to make the arrow there. Then after mentioning the date, you will write the receiver's address. Receiver's address means who is going to receive the letter, right? If you are writing to your principal, you will write your principal address. After leaving a line here, you will write the salutation: dear sir, dear ma'am, respected sir, respected ma'am. Okay, and after that you will leave the line here. After that you will write the subject here. Subject must be I need a leave for 2 days. I will not be able to attend a class for a week because my sister is going to. Subject must be in a short manner. You don't mention you don't have to write the Mahabharata or Bible here. You just need to be on the point, and subject must be in the proper box like this. Okay, after mentioning the subject, you will leave a line here again and again, and after that you will mention your main body. Main body consists of introduction, content and conclusion that I have already taught you in the informal letters. Okay, and after this you will leave a line here again and again, and then you will write the thanking you, and then leave a line here, and then signatory. What does the signatory mean? Signatory means yours faithfully, thankfully. ठीक है, उसके बाद आपने एक लाइन यहाँ पे छोड़ना नहीं है. Directly you need to write your name here. Then that's it. Now it show you have some example. Okay, I'm going to show you some of the example to make you understand. So I have not made the line here, so I'm sorry. So you will write the address here. I have written my address here. Then you have to leave a line here, and after that I have written the date here. Date must be in a proper manner, as I have already told you. Then you have to leave a line here, and then I have written the editor. I have written letter to the editor. Then I have written letter to the editor, the Times of India, then Patna, whatever the state or city you must be living. Then after leave a line here, I have leave the line here, then sir, then leave a line here, and then subject must be in a proper manner, highlight the issue. ठीक है, उसके बाद I have written, through this letter of mine I wish to draw the attention of the readers toward. If you are writing letter to the editor, you have to learn these lines. Okay, you will write, through this letter of mine I wish to draw the attention of the readers towards whatever their topic must be, waterlogging or anything, right? Then main content will be mentioning here, and then after writing all these things, you will mention the conclusion there. So conclusion will be, I hope you will publish this letter in your newspaper so that I could convey my message to the peoples, right? And after that you will leave a line here, and then thanking you, and then leave a line here, and then yours faithfully, and then your name here. The format is very much simple and easy, students. If you will understand, if you will practice, you will having no doubts in all these things. So hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it to your friends. And if you are having any doubts, any thoughts regarding your mind about this, so you can comment down in the comment section. So thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Stay safe, stay home.